Hello everyone, it's Sparkling Shar and welcome back to my channel. Coming today to give you project number 2 that I was inspired by. I've been doing this for maybe 2 to 3 years now. I normally make these for craft fairs or whatever, but this was such an inspiration. And when you see these, I mean, you'll be blown away, because normally when I sell them at craft fairs, all the customers do is just stare and say how beautiful they are. I mean, I don't think the camera is going to do them justice, the video. But, oh my God, guys, these are simply amazing. And let me see which one I want to start with. Let me put my inspiration board to the side. And let's get started. Let me show you the first one. Yes, the angels. Oh my God. Isn't this beautiful? So pretty. Got the little halo. This is the back. And all this is the deco mesh from the 6-inch deco mesh from Dollar Tree. Some ornaments, any size ornaments you can use. These probably from the Dollar Tree or Target. And the pipe cleaner, the Chanel, stems. And some ribbon, and of course a button or whatever type of embellishment you want to use. But I just fall in love with these every time I make them. And I promise you guys, customers, they just stand there and they look, because I have them like lined up on a stand like they're hanging up, because you can hang them up, and you just be so mesmerized by how beautiful the angels are. So this one is silver, and then the gold one, the halo. And then this is the back, and then this is where the hook is, where you can hang it on. It hangs on whatever you want to hang it on. And I'm just, when I make these, I just sit back and I just look at them, And like I say, you can make them in any color, whatever color ornament that you want. This is green. In the back. It has the little hook here. And they're so simple to make, guys. So simple. Please give this project a try. I'm hoping that I can find the tutorial that I follow, because there's so many for the angel. But it was one particular one that I followed. And I had made... I'm going to say I made about 10 in about maybe 20 minutes, because I had started, mass producing them, so I got so fast at doing them. But yeah. And I got a red one. And I put like a little heart bling there. It's simply gorgeous. Oh my God, this video is not doing these justice, I tell you. And then my last one is blue. Look at there. A little blue bling there. I thought I had some blue ribbon, but I did not. But that's okay, because this color looks like very good with it. So yeah, guys, so I just want to come and show you the inspiration with these angels. Please, guys, make these. Oh my God, you will simply love them. They are so adorable, beautiful, just make you feel blessed. So guys, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next inspiration video. Inspiration Week. Don't forget. Thanks for watching. Remember to always sparkle. And I'll put the tutorial down below in the link. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.